Hey, what's up everybody? This is Madi for Madi's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox the Tab S5e. First off, I'm going to show you what comes in the package. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you the specs of the tablet itself. Right here on the back, it tells you what the contents come with. This model does come with 128 gigabyte of micro SD card. As you can see, it says included. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box. I can show you everything that does come in this tablet. We're just going to go ahead and put the tablet to the side so I can show you all the accessories that it comes with. And first off, you can see right here, here is your power plug. This is a quick charge. This is your standard 110 for the US. And then right here is your charging cable. This is the C-port charging cable. Okay, and in this box right here, we have your user manual. Right here is your SIM card tray pop-out key. And this is where you can connect your C cable into a headphone jack. And then here is your user manual. As you can see, it'll tell you how to start it up and set it up. And right here is the tablet. If you make your way to the back, here is the included 128 gigabyte of SD card. And right here to the side, you've got your power button, your volume up and down rocker. Right here at the bottom, you have your two speakers, your Type-C charging port. And right here at the top, you have two more set of speakers. You have your microphone. And if you move to the side, here is your power button, your volume up and down rocker. Here is your SIM card tray. And on the other side, you have a connection for a keyboard. So we're going to go ahead and power this on. I'm going to go through the step-by-step how to set it up. So just waiting for it to load. And it's a walkthrough step-by-step, so it'll basically tell you how to set it up. I'm not going to go through all of it, as it will already tell you that when you start setting it up. So it's going to ask for my Wi-Fi information. And I'm going to go ahead and connect my Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
So I'm just going to go ahead and choose my network. We're going to set it up. Wait for that to load. It's going to check for system updates. It's going to have me sign into my Google account. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I would come back. And right now it's gathering my account information. And that's going to restart my tablet. Now it's asking for a passcode or fingerprint pattern. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a PIN code. Okay, once this is all set up, it will take me to my home screen of my last device that I'm setting it up to. Right here is all my applications. Now it's asking me to sign into my Samsung account, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll come back once I sign in. Now I'm all done. So now you'll see my home screen from my last device that I set it up from. And then I'll walk you through like the steps and what apps that come factory on this tablet. As you can see, there's your Play Store, you have your Netflix, your Google Drive, and then you have apps like YouTube, the Galaxy Store, the clock, the calendar, So here's your Google Apps. Then you've got your mail, your clock. So let's go ahead and go into the settings. And right here is your settings. A lot of my apps are still being updated. So here's where your connections, your display, your lock screen, your device care, your apps, your accessibility. So it's pretty much like any other Samsung device. It's all explained right here. It's a one-step guide. It does tell you how to set up everything. If you are interested in this tablet, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in ad-free APKs and IPTV, go ahead and check me out at ModdiesReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.